Hello there and good evening. So today I'm going to be trying to challenge myself to finish this sweater in one sitting. I'm going to give myself 2 hours to finish it. So I have this sweater over here. It's a sweater for a 3-year-old. I know it looks pretty thin like this, but that's just because of the cables. But when it's worn and it's stretched out, then you see the design and it fits nicely. Anyways, so I have already one sleeve done and I just needed a push to get myself to finish the second sleeve. I already casted on the stitches and picked up the stitches and started knitting. So I'm going to give myself 2 hours now to try and finish it in one sitting. Let's see, what time is it now? Now it's 7:30 in the evening. So that means at around 10:30 I should be done. Sorry, 9:30. Where's my math gone? Anyways, so let's get started. I'm going to be watching some knitting videos on my phone while I'm doing this. And that's it. Okay. Okay, so I absolutely overestimated myself. It's now been pretty much an hour and this is all I got done. I don't know why I thought I could do it in 2 hours. But I'm gonna give myself another hour and then see how I feel, if I have patience to continue, or for another hour and then it'll really be till 10:30, or if I'll just need a break and I'll go do something else. So let's continue. I'll check back at 9:30. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So it is now it's 9:30. So another hour passed. This is how much I have so far. It's about half, a bit less than half, more or less. And I'm still in the hang of it, so I'm gonna continue going until 10:30, and I think then I'll call it a night. So let's continue. I love when I'm like doing something, either it's finishing up sleeves or something that's not like the main fun part of a project, and then I just get into it and I just go on and finish it or almost finish it, and it's just so fun to get into it, and then it makes it so much easier. So yeah. It is now 10:17, so it's been a little under 3 hours. this is what I got done. That's actually pretty impressive, I may say so myself. I'm gonna call it a night, but I'm so happy I got so advanced already. Now it's already just finishing up. Will hopefully be easier. I could probably finish that in a different sitting, and then this sweater will be done. So that was fun, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best!